In the complex world of construction, time is money and precision is paramount. A well-crafted network schedule is the backbone of any successful project, providing a roadmap for execution and a tool for monitoring progress. It outlines the sequence of tasks, their dependencies, and their estimated durations, allowing project managers to anticipate challenges and allocate resources effectively. The network schedule, often visualized as a Gantt chart or a network diagram, maps out the critical path of the project. This critical path represents the longest sequence of activities that must be completed on time to ensure the project finishes as scheduled. Any delays on the critical path directly impact the overall project timeline. Imagine a skyscraper under construction. The foundation must be laid before the erection of steel beams, which in turn must precede the installation of the facade. Disrupting this sequence can lead to delays, budget overruns, and even legal disputes. Understanding and accurately representing this critical path is essential for project success. One of the most common errors in construction scheduling is the incorrect sequencing of activities. This occurs when tasks are scheduled out of order, ignoring the logical dependencies between them. For instance, scheduling the painting of walls before the installation of electrical conduits is a recipe for rework and delays. Consider the installation of a complex HVAC system in a high-rise building. The ductwork must be installed before the ceiling grids, which in turn must be in place before the light fixtures can be fitted. If the schedule incorrectly places ceiling grid installation before ductwork, it creates a logistical nightmare. These sequencing errors highlight the importance of involving experienced site personnel in the scheduling process. Foremen and superintendents possess practical knowledge of construction techniques and can identify potential conflicts before they arise. Modern scheduling software often includes features that flag potential logic errors, alerting schedulers to inconsistencies in the sequence of activities. Utilizing these tools and fostering collaboration between office-based schedulers and field personnel can significantly reduce the risk of sequencing errors. While some activities must strictly follow a sequential order, others can occur concurrently, potentially saving time and increasing efficiency. However, misinterpreting which activities can truly run in parallel is another common scheduling pitfall. Assuming that two tasks can happen simultaneously when they actually have an unforeseen dependency can lead to delays and rework. For example, consider the installation of underground utilities and the pouring of a concrete foundation. If the foundation is poured before the pipes are laid according to the agreed-upon plan, it could necessitate costly excavation and repouring. Accurately identifying parallel activities requires a deep understanding of the project's design, the construction methods employed, and the potential constraints of the site. Utilizing visual aids like network diagrams can be particularly helpful in identifying potential conflicts and ensuring that parallel activities are genuinely independent. By carefully analyzing the interplay between parallel activities, project managers can optimize the schedule without compromising the integrity of the construction process. Every construction project relies on a finite pool of resources, including labor, equipment, and materials. A robust network schedule must account for these constraints, ensuring that resources are available when and where they are needed. Failure to do so can lead to delays, idle workforce, and increased costs. For instance, imagine a project requiring a specialized crane for two separate tasks scheduled closely together. If the schedule doesn't account for the crane's availability and movement between locations, one of the tasks will inevitably be delayed. Similarly, underestimating the labor required for specific tasks can lead to workforce shortages and missed deadlines. Resource leveling, a technique used to optimize the allocation of resources over time, is crucial in preventing these issues. By carefully managing resource allocation, project managers can avoid bottlenecks, minimize downtime, and maintain a steady workflow throughout the project lifecycle. One of the most insidious aspects of logical errors in construction scheduling is their tendency to cascade, turning seemingly minor issues into major problems. A single incorrect dependency or an overlooked resource constraint can set off a chain reaction, impacting multiple activities and ultimately jeopardizing the entire project timeline. Imagine a scenario where the delivery of critical building materials is delayed due to an inaccurate lead time in the schedule. This delay affects the start date of the dependent activity, say, the erection of steel framing. As framing is delayed, subsequent tasks like roofing and facade installation are also pushed back, creating a domino effect that ripples through the project. Regular schedule updates, progress tracking, and proactive communication between stakeholders are essential for identifying and mitigating the potential domino effects of logical errors. The consequences of incorrect logic in construction scheduling extend far beyond mere inconvenience. They translate directly into wasted time and money. Delays caused by scheduling errors can lead to increased labor costs, extended equipment rentals, and wasted material due to spoilage or damage. For instance, if a concrete pour is delayed because the required rebar wasn't delivered on time due to a scheduling error, the cost implications can be substantial. The concrete trucks might arrive at the site only to sit idle, incurring charges by the hour. The labor crew, ready to work, will be left waiting, adding to the project's labor costs. Moreover, delays can lead to contractual penalties, especially in projects with liquidated damages clauses. Accurate scheduling is not just about adhering to deadlines. It's about protecting the project's financial health and ensuring its successful completion within budget. In the adversarial world of construction, disputes are almost inevitable. However, inaccurate or poorly maintained schedules can quickly become weapons in these disputes, leading to costly litigation and irreparable damage to business relationships. When delays occur, contractors might attempt to shift blame by pointing fingers at inaccurate schedules provided by the owner or other subcontractors. Conversely, owners might use flawed schedules as evidence of contractor negligence, attempting to withhold payments or claim damages. To mitigate litigation risks, it's crucial to establish clear communication protocols regarding schedule updates and revisions. All stakeholders should be informed of any changes to the schedule in a timely manner, and any disagreements or discrepancies should be addressed promptly through formal change order requests. Maintaining detailed records of all schedule versions, communication logs, and supporting documentation is also essential. Gone are the days of managing complex construction schedules with pen and paper or rudimentary spreadsheets. Today, sophisticated scheduling software has become an indispensable tool for accurately planning, monitoring, and controlling construction projects of all sizes. Software like Primavera P6, Microsoft Project, and Autodesk Navisworks Timeliner offer a range of features designed to streamline the scheduling process and minimize the risk of logical errors. These tools allow for the creation of detailed network diagrams, automatic calculation of the critical path, and resource leveling capabilities, making it easier to identify and rectify potential scheduling conflicts. Moreover, these software packages often include visual dashboards and reporting tools that provide real-time insights into project progress and potential delays. The use of scheduling software not only improves accuracy, but also facilitates collaboration among project stakeholders. Investing in proper training for scheduling personnel is crucial to ensure they can leverage the full capabilities of these powerful tools. While scheduling software has undoubtedly revolutionized the construction industry, it's not a magic bullet. The human element remains crucial, and the expertise of experienced schedulers is invaluable in creating and managing accurate and reliable construction schedules. Experienced schedulers possess a deep understanding of construction processes, contractual obligations, and potential risks. They can anticipate potential conflicts, identify opportunities for optimization, and develop realistic schedules that account for the complexities of the real world. Moreover, experienced schedulers are skilled communicators, able to bridge the gap between the field and the office. Their experience also allows them to interpret and analyze schedule data, identifying trends and potential red flags that might escape the notice of less experienced individuals. Investing in the training and development of scheduling personnel is crucial. Preventing logical errors in construction scheduling requires a proactive rather than reactive approach. It's about establishing a culture of planning, communication, and continuous improvement throughout the project lifecycle. From the outset, project teams must prioritize scheduling, allocating sufficient time and resources to develop a comprehensive and accurate baseline schedule. Regular schedule reviews and updates are essential for maintaining accuracy and identifying potential issues before they escalate. These reviews should involve key members of the project team, including the scheduler, project manager, superintendent, and representatives from subcontractors responsible for critical path activities, implementing a robust change management process is equally crucial. By fostering a proactive approach to scheduling, project teams can minimize the risk of errors, avoid costly delays, and ensure that projects are delivered on time and within budget. In the dynamic and demanding world of construction, a sound network schedule is more than just a document. It's a testament to a project team's commitment to planning, coordination, and successful execution. A schedule built on a foundation of sound logic provides a clear roadmap for all stakeholders, fosters confidence in the project's timeline, and minimizes the risk of costly disputes and delays. While scheduling software has undoubtedly revolutionized the industry, the human element remains paramount. Experienced schedulers, armed with their knowledge and expertise, are essential for interpreting data, anticipating challenges, and making informed decisions that keep projects on track. By prioritizing scheduling, investing in training, and embracing a proactive approach to planning and communication, construction professionals can transform the network schedule from a potential source of errors into a powerful tool for project success. A well-crafted and meticulously maintained schedule becomes a source of confidence, enabling project teams to navigate the complexities of construction with greater efficiency, accuracy, and ultimately, profitability.